welcome back to our channel, and today I'm just gonna give you a quick tour of our mini walk-in shoe closet, or walk-through shoe closet, if that's what it's actually called. And yeah, I'm gonna show you what I did to organize this walk-through shoe closet of ours, and come with me and check it out. Okay, so this is what I did with the walk-through shoe closet. I purchased this type of mats, and I made them look like carpet, like a carpet where we can walk through whenever we go to this area of the house. So there you go. This is pretty much yeah, very, very relaxing to the feet, and I actually prohibited everyone not to use their slippers whenever they pass through here, since this is actually the pathway to our shower room. This is the shower room, by the way. This is the shower room, and the other room is the toilet. So there. So what I did is I actually have this first organizer. This was made by my dad like a couple of years ago. Actually, it's like 5 or 6 years ago when he made this organizer. It's originally for my baked goods that he made, and since I'm not baking right now, I'm not baking anymore, and if ever that I'm planning to bake again, I'm just gonna get a new one. But this is actually very sturdy. He personally made that for me. So I put my husband's shoes in there, all of his shoes, and just some of this one is a luggage bag, and we have like lots of stuff in there. And I bought some of these type of baskets. It's just like 49 or 50 pesos each at SM department stores, because I want everything to be organized. And here are the items inside. There's like the shoe polish, our garbage bags and whatnot, some tools. Here are the hotel slippers that we have. And here are some of the amenities from the hotels where we checked in previously, because apparently you have to take them because you paid for them. Those are the toothbrushes, like soap, shampoo, lotion. Well, you probably don't have anything to use that to, but someday you'll find it very useful. And here is a paper bag, a large paper bag with paper bags from our purchases. So I keep them here because sometimes you never know when you're gonna use them. It's actually very useful to have some paper bags. You can just reuse or recycle them. This one is an old luggage, my husband's old luggage, so I just have to put it there because we don't know where we can actually put that anymore. And then yeah, here I actually put a diffuser. This is the first Young Living diffuser that I have. I'm diffusing orange essential oil right now because I feel that our shoe closet needs to have a diffuser at least like once a week, because especially now that it's the rainy season. So yeah, we really have to diffuse the area where our shoes are, because to avoid stinky smell especially that it's the rainy season. And here is Kuya's shoes, school shoes. This is actually a vintage one, and good thing that Orion hasn't been playing with this. There. This crate, what do you call this? Yeah, I think it's called a crate. It's actually made as well when was that? Like around 6 years ago, I think. It was personally made as well for me when I was doing events, and now I had it. I just put it here as a decoration. So there. And I put all of their hats in here. So it's actually Kuya's old hat, but Orion is wearing it now. And there. So Papa, Kuya, and Orion's hat is there. And here are Orion's shoes. Actually, the boys had a lot of shoes, so some of the shoes in here actually don't fit them anymore, but I just have to keep them because especially Kuya shoes. So I just have to keep Kuya shoes because Orion can still wear them. So anyway, here are Orion's shoes. So the pattern that I did in storing them or in displaying them is I make sure that the right foot, I'm not pretty sure if everything is on the right foot, but at least one is actually facing forward and the other is facing backwards, just so they know which shoes they can choose. Especially Papa, because Papa has a lot of shoes. Actually right now he has like 25 pairs of shoes. 20 to 25 pairs of shoes. He apparently has like 50 pairs of shoes that I gave away when we did the organizing of this shoe closet. So I actually have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I only have 6 pairs of shoes, or rubber shoes, sneakers, and most of them are Papa shoes already. And actually the other shoes that I have, they're at a different closet together with my bags. And yeah, these are Orion's shoes actually. These are all bought from the US because apparently Jordan shoes in the US, especially for kids, are just very cheap. So they're very affordable compared to when you buy them here. And these are Kuya's. And then all of these are actually Kuya's shoes, but some of these Kuya is not wearing anymore because it doesn't fit him anymore, and just waiting for Orion's turn to wear them. There. This is Kuya's shoes as well. There. And this actually, I think this doesn't fit Orion anymore, but I'm just keeping it just for remembrance. Yeah, this is Kuya's shoes, and before, this is a Jordan Grapes, Jordan 5 I think. I'm not pretty sure about the Jordan thing. Yeah, but Orion is already wearing it. This boots, it's a Zara boots that my mom-in-law gave Orion, and it doesn't fit him anymore, but I'm still keeping it. You'll never know. So there you have that. And yeah, a tip is, if you have a diffuser, or if you have a shoe diffuser, by the way, you can actually put them in a shoe closet just to make sure that they won't get stinky, or all of your shoes won't get stinky, especially now that it's the rainy season. There. And by the way, I actually put these mega boxes in here. I still keep, disposable diapers for Orion, especially now that it's the rainy season. I'm so busy. We don't have anyone to help us out at home. It's just me and my husband. So at times, I really can't find time to, wash his cloth diapers. And he's actually graduating soon in wearing diapers. I think he's graduating, very soon. So it's just for keeps. And these are actually socks, Kuya socks or whatever. Some of what he needs at school. And some of these are actually soap, shampoo soap, some, whatnot. Because this is the toilet and the shower room, so. Yeah, and there's the belts. I actually hang my belts in here, but these are just like a couple of belts. I don't usually wear belts. That's why. And the lights. There's actually a pin light over there. So there you have it. there you have it. Thank you so much for watching our video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we post our upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I will see you on our next video. Bye!